أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear students of 11th class, subject Botany, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, you know we are discussing the classification of fungi, and so far we have discussed the two classes of fungi, and in our yesterday's lecture we have taken the third class, which is the ascomycetes, class ascomycetes of division Ascomycotina. And in our yesterday's lecture we have discussed the five general characters of this class of fungi, and you should also remember that this class ascomycetes is also called the sac fungi. Now today we will study the other general characters of this class ascomycetes, and as you know we have studied the five general characters of this class ascomycetes, and today we will see the sixth general character of this class ascomycetes of division Ascomycotina. The sixth general character is that majority of ascomycetes reproduce asexually by the formation of conidia. Dear students, as you have seen yesterday, that the yeasts which are included in this class reproduce mostly by budding uh, and support formation, whereas majority of ascomycetes reproduce asexually by the formation of conidia. That means conidia formation takes place, and majority of the ascomycetes reproduce asexually by the conidia formation. Conidia are formed on special hyphae called conidiophores. So these conidia are formed on special hyphae called conidiophores. Now the seventh general character is that the sexual reproduction occurs by different methods like gametic copulation, that means two gametes uh, fuse with each other, gameteal contact, spermatization, and somatogamy. These are the different types of sexual methods by which these ascomycetes reproduce sexually. Sexual reproduction takes place in three stages. So you should also remember that the sexual reproduction in class ascomycetes takes place in three stages. First stage is the plasmogamy, second is the karyogamy, while third is the meiosis. Some specialized dikaryotic cells of dikaryophase, some specialized dikaryotic cells of dikaryophase function as ascus mother cells. So the specialized dikaryotic cells function as ascus mother cells, and in these cells the two nuclei of opposite mating type fuse to form a diploid nucleus. Two nuclei of opposite mating type fuse to form a diploid nucleus, which divides first by meiosis and then by mitosis. These are the cell divisions by which these diploid nucleus divides. So you should remember that it divides firstly by meiosis and then by mitosis to form 4 or 8 haploid nuclei, which form 8 ascospores which lie inside the ascus. So dear students, You should understand that some specialized dikaryotic cells of dikaryophase function as ascus mother cells, and in these cells, two nuclei of opposite mating type fuse to form a diploid nucleus, which divides first by meiosis and then by mitosis and form four or eight haploid nuclei, which then form eight ascospores inside the ascus. Then the eighth general character is that the ascospores formed or liberated from ascus. These ascospores which are formed in the ascus, they are liberated, they get free and germinate to produce new mycelia. Then these ascospores are liberated from the ascus and germinate to produce new mycelia. Now the ninth character is the asci are produced inside the fruiting body called ascocarp. These asci are produced inside the fruiting body which is called ascocarp. And this ascocarp is of three types. Number one is the apothecium. The apothecium fruiting body is cup-shaped or disc-shaped. Second is the perithecium. It is flask-shaped fruiting body. And the eighth type of this fruiting body is called ascocarp, is called the calistothecium. It is spherical in shape. So this was all about the general characters of this division Ascomycotina of class Ascomycetes, and in this way we have completed the third class of this fungi, and that is the Ascomycetes. Now there remains only one class, that is the Basidiomycotina, and that fourth class of fungi we will deal in our next lecture tomorrow, and in this way we will conclude this today's topic, and till date, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.